Hi, in this video, we'll see how to work with Object Studio shapes. What is the purpose of each and every shape in Object Studio? Read, write, navigate, and launch application modular. We will see code and wait and process later. Now, any application when you are working, it can be a desktop application or it can be a browser based application, any application. Most of the time what we are going to do is we are going to write something in the application, or we are going to use mouse clips, or we are going to use keypad activities, right? Let me give you a clarity on this. Let's say for example, I want to log into your my Gmail account. Just I will open a browser and then I will click on gmail.com. After that, I clicked on this. Observe this. So here I have, if the information is not available, then I will type my email ID and then I need to give my password, and then here typed, and then click on a next. Then it will log into my account, right? After that, if I want to compose an email, I need to click on compose, mouse click. After that, again click, and then I need to give email ID. Let's say I have given email ID, and then I need to give subject, need to type, right? Type subject. Again, I need to type on this particular the information body. We'll type something info, and then if you want to send, you are going to click on send email, right? Once you send email, if you want to sign out, again you need to click on this, and then so you are going to click on sign out all your accounts, right? Sign out. Now this is the way how we are going to work with any applications. Once it is done, again by using mouse options, we are going to close your browser. Now what we have observed here, most of the time we are going to use mouse activities or typing or keypad activities. That's it, right? So for example, keypad means escape, enter, shortcuts, whatever it may be. Other than that, we are not doing anything here, right? For that, if you want to write anything in your application, you are going to use write shape in your Object Studio. If you want to use any mouse click activities, then you have to use navigate shape. And then if you want to write something, we are going to use write shape. And when you want to work with any application, you know that as a human, you know that you need to work with a Gmail, or you need to work with a Yahoo, or you want to work with Windows Media Player or VLC Media Player. As a human, you can understand. But how your Blue Prism will understand which application it has to work with, right? For that, you have a application modular. In application modular, you are going to give your application executable file. If it is desktop application, if it is browser based application, you are going to give URL. You are going to tell to the application Blue Prism, we are going to work with gmail.com, or you are going to work with google.com. That is a URL we will give. Then Blue Prism will understand, okay, I need to work with this application. And we are giving the application in application modular. But if you want to launch, if you want to open, then you need to click on a launch button. Launch the application here. That is the purpose of application modular, and then launch in your Blue Prism. And then write, to write any information inside the application, and then navigate. We will use to for most of the time mouse click activities, and then some other options also we will discuss. And then so this one, read. If you want to read any information, if you want to read anything from any website, or if you want to get the data from any portal, whatever it may be, you are going to use read shape in Blue Prism. This is the purpose of the shapes and then this application modeler and launch. So next we will see so how to work with an application. Then you will understand so more clearly how to work with Object Studio and what is the main intention of Object Studio. Thank you.